Here you have a simple, but effective block paving miter corner hack. Geometry is super important to get a perfect finish. A coiler with these levels makes electric installations a lot easier, quicker, and mess less. All three types of wire can be pulled at the same time. These types of anchors are super helpful when hanging anything on drywall. As drywall is a thin material, the pressure is distributed to prevent any tearing. Saws can slip on hard materials, so you can use one of these anchors to secure it, and make sure you make a perfectly straight hole. A few strategic cuts will make the vinyl go around the sink base smoothly. The damped fibers get harder and create a pattern that mimics rock when used on clay. A hose coiler can help you insert a cable into a corrugated casing with just a hose coiler. You need to tie the cable to a wire that goes all along the casing and then start pulling. It makes the task a lot easier and quick. The lever effect makes a job easier by cutting the weight you are carrying by half. Tiles need to be cut to accommodate pipes, especially for pipe. Here is a super easy hack to easily find the center of a tile. A few strips of tape and you can create the perfect template to cut a round corner or any shape. Measuring and cutting small parts creates a better fit with the surface. It also avoids wasting material and finishing the day with lots of small scraps. Once in place, a few nails secure it completely. Turn a knife into a jigsaw blade for insulation with a round saw. Make sure the blade is thick enough to stay in the jigsaw. A long board, a suction cup, and a round mechanism are the key materials for this huge compass. Its flexibility and softness make rubber a perfect material for placing large tiles without damaging them or the floor. This is one of the design options for adjoining the floor and the flight of stairs. He is putting together a tile with a double rim that will overstep the actual base and give it a more finished look. The curing time depends on the adhesive and material of the tiles. When starting a renovation process, an important, but tedious task is to prepare the space to make sure the dust from construction doesn't end up all around the house. This worker does an excellent job at preparing the space. He even sets up a ventilation system with a filter. This easy DIY is perfect for cutting the mortise for a hinge. After you have the template, a compact router is perfect for the job. The hinge will get completely secured. These easy steps are the most efficient way of making your gutter longer. Bends make the pipe a little less wide and easier to adjust to the other parts. A couple of screws secure the pieces together. This worker has the perfect method for laying a herringbone pattern when flooring with sheet vinyl and vinyl tiles. It's important to use the right adhesive and don't apply too much of it. A sinkhole is best repaired by filling the hole and then adding asphalt on top. All materials have to be well compacted to make sure the filling is strong. Here you have a nice solution for having baseboard go around obstacles seamlessly. Building a template will make sure you get the perfect shape without an extra inch. You can use spare material to build it. Galvanizing your exposed ends will protect them and create a more durable job. When laying vinyl flooring, sharp tools will make your job a lot easier. They make clean cuts that translate into fewer air pockets and a cleaner finish. Instead of cutting at a guess, better make a template and you'll get the perfect shape all the time. A few drops of any dense material are perfect for getting the ideal setting to continue an installation. shrinking plastic is perfect for covering wire damages and getting a full coverage. This GeoGround grid system makes it even easier to install. Simply spread out the material, anchor to the ground, and fill the cells with either soil, grass, sand or gravel.